Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing new tool deals to share with you. Now, we're mostly going to be doing Amazon deals, but I do have some Home Depot things I picked out that I wanted to share with you. For the Home Depot deals, we're going to use the YouTube product picker affiliate program, which is terrible. We did that Lowe's video, and half the products after I spent all that time making the video aren't even in the stupid product picker thing, which is a continuation of the reason of why I despise that thing, but we're going to use it for these as best as we can. Hopefully I can find the Home Depot deals, and then I have some good Amazon promo code and Amazon sale deals that will just be regular links in the description down below. So this deal, part of the 4th of July savings, listed as a bestseller. It's the Milwaukee little combo kit guy. It's a mix of M18 and M12 with the 3/8 inch ratchet and the 1/2 inch impact wrench, and you're getting a couple of batteries to go with it. It's normally $400 down to $199, and we have seen this on sale before. They're older tools, but I really like the value you're getting out of this thing, and that you're getting both M18 and M12. You got the dual voltage charger, so it's one charger for both, and it just gets you into both of those platforms. So the 3/8 ratchet is the OG brushed motor ratchet, 250 RPM. I believe it's 35 foot-pounds of torque on that guy, and you're getting the 1.5 amp hour battery to go with it. But that's generally, I mean, it's included with free tool promotions and stuff, but that's about like $189 or something. So a pretty good deal that you're also getting then. Then they list this as the high torque, and maybe it was high torque when it first came out. It's 450 foot-pounds. You wouldn't call that high torque now, but, it's older, so maybe it was. But you're getting the impact wrench to go with it and the 3 amp hour battery. So for $199, you're getting a nice little kit for the automotive enthusiast. Now this other Home Depot deal I wanted to show you, it's just more like an expansion of that first deal, because if that deal's getting you into the M12 lineup, then let's expand just a little bit on the cheap, because this is normally $169 down to $99, and it's a 2-tool kit. Again, older tools, they've been around for a while, but they'll be plenty good for you. You get the drill and you get the impact driver. You're getting two 1.5 amp hour batteries, so 2 tools, 2 batteries, all for $99. I think it's a good way to get into Milwaukee's lineup. Or if you get that previous deal, get this one as well. You got a bunch of batteries, and you got a good base of tools to expand from. Now, for this Amazon deal, this is one that I picked up myself, and I'm pretty excited when it comes in to give it a shot and see what we think of it. But cordless paint sprayer for DeWalt 20-volt batteries, HVLP spray gun, 4 nozzles, 1,000 milliliter container for house painting, interior, exterior, blah, blah, blah. It's 50% off by Ike Borm. Normally $59.99. We have a 30% promo code, 20% coupon. So you're only paying $29.99. Uses the DeWalt batteries. You get a cordless version of one of these paint sprayers. I've been tethered to a corded version, and then I got that airless one, but I don't have this very similar thing. And since I'm heavily into DeWalt's lineup, I thought for $29.99, that's kind of a must-buy, even just to play around with it, see how I like it, if it's any good. Now, they do have a Milwaukee version. Here's the link for that, and it's the exact same discount, same price, same 30% promo code, 20% coupon. This will bring you to the promo code page. When you're logged into Amazon, you click on that. It'll automatically apply that promo code to your account, so you'll be ready to go. Open up the Amazon page, click that 20% coupon. You'll get your 50% off on the Milwaukee version as well. Same company, we have the cordless car buffer polisher for DeWalt 20-volt batteries, orbital polisher, 6 variable speeds by Ike Borm. And it is 55% off, normally $90, a little bit higher on this one, 30% promo code, 25% coupon, around, $40 or so. Now, I did not find a Milwaukee version promo code for this one, unfortunately. But I think a pretty cool tool and cheap, relatively. 5-inch caster wheels, caster set, 4-piece set, heavy-duty locking casters, silent top plate, swivel casters with brake by Mazzoliu. They're 50% off. About a month ago, we saw a 3-inch version from this same company, so maybe you saw those, maybe you picked those up, get an idea of the company if you like them or not. But 145 reviews, 4.5 out of 5 tall fellowship belts, $29.99, 50% off. You're going to pay $15. I was trying to see if I saw a weight rating anywhere, and I do not. Something maybe to investigate further, but you are getting the 4-pack, all 4 corners, for the price of basically one caster, because those things are expensive. 4 megapixel bulb security camera, 2.4 gigahertz, 360 degree, 2K security camera, wireless, outdoor, indoor, full day, night vision, motion detection. This is by LaView. $39.69, but a bevy of discounts to go with it. So we have 42% off with a promo code. We have a 12% discount at checkout. It's not like a coupon where you got to check the box. You just add it to your cart, and when you're at the checkout, you get the extra 12%. There's a Prime member discount, which I think brought it down to like 35. So your 42 and your 12% come off the 35 instead of the 39. And then if you buy 2, there's an additional 5%. Now with the additional 5%, I think this 12% only applies to 1. But if you haven't seen these before, real simple, you just screw that into any kind of light socket. It connects via an app to your phone, and it's PTZ, so you can pan, tilt, and zoom. Move it all over the place. But for like $15, whatever it is, after all those discounts, it's fun to play around with at least. Works. 8-amp, 10-inch electric pole saw. This is that 2-in-1 convertible saw where it can be like a normal chainsaw and then also the pole saw. It's $62.79 right now on Amazon. Home Depot has it for $104.53 and Lowe's about $100. So half price, give or take, over at Amazon right now. It says it's only 10 pounds, which I'm kind of surprised by. But you do got to remember, even just 10 pounds, you put it on the end of a pole like that, that's kind of heavy. It's kind of heavy. Like, just go grab a 10-pound weight and hold it out straight. Arm. I'm turning to Joe Biden. Stretch your arm out straight with a 10-pound weight. And, it gets heavy really quickly. And this is even further out. This is on a pole. So just keep that in mind. And it's plug-in. You got to be tethered to something. It's not cordless. It's not gas or whatever. 2-cycle. But still, in the right instances, works really well. My first pole saw was the Portland Harbor Freight, and it's an electric where you got to plug it in. And that thing worked really great. I mean, you get tired of being tethered to the cord, which is why I ended up going with a cordless one. But you don't got to worry about keeping the batteries charged. They get plenty of power. So if you have, an electrical source nearby, it's still a pretty good deal. $62.79 on that guy. 20-volt angle grinder, cordless, 8,500 RPM brushless motor, 4.5-inch power angle grinder tool. You're getting 2 4-amp-hour batteries. This is by ZKH. It's $59.99 as a sale price, and then the Prime member discount, I think it was $53.99. So not a huge Prime member discount, but it is half off as far as the sale price. And getting a brushless angle grinder with 2 batteries, all those cutting wheels for $50-some is really an amazing deal. But also, just within the last couple of days, we had that deal for their impact wrench, which I really liked. I believe that came with 2 4-amp-hour batteries as well and had a promo code. If you go up to the top of the site to the search bar and just type ZKH, you'll be able to find that impact wrench deal. Maybe you already took advantage of it, but I thought for people maybe interested in both tools, you end up with 4 batteries, 2 brushless tools, the impact wrench, and the grinder. And altogether like under $100 or real close to $100 for all of that. That's a pretty amazing deal. Gear wrench, long pattern, combination metric wrench set with the tool roll, 9-piece, 12-point. It's $39.99 on sale on Amazon. Zorro has it for $76.95 and Tool Up $81.06. 15-degree offset on your wrenches. Off-corner loading. That's been like I feel like that's a relatively recent selling point on a lot of wrenches, sockets, things of that nature, so that they're like ovaled or cut out at the corners, so you're not putting pressure on the corners of your nut, your bolt. That's what's rounding it out. You look at like old, maybe like V-Series Craftsman's, not the new ones they've remade now, but I'm like the vintage ones. It's very square. It's sharp corners. So anyway, you have that. And long pattern, so they're long. Why can't they just call them long? Why does it got to be long pattern? But you get a little extra leverage. They're not the ratcheting ones, so you don't got to worry about breaking the ratcheting because you got the extra leverage. And you don't know your own strength because you're Hulk, you know. You don't got to worry about it with these. And it can get you into tight places. You know, maybe you can't reach it with other things. One of the things these things were amazing for was on the 67 Mustang. The radiator and the fan are like right next to each other. There's not much gap at all. And trying to take off that fan, you're playing bloody knuckles with the radiator because you're just like scraping with every turn, you know, right against the fins of the radiator. But you get one of these long wrenches. You get a longie on that thing, and you get your hand up past the radiator so you're not coming out like you just got in a fight with a bear. Of course, you ever see me in a fight with a tool bear in the woods, help the bear, because that bitch gonna need it. DeWalt oscillating tool blades, 3-piece, $9.99. So another sale price here. So that's normally $43.95. Boy, that sounds like too much. Sounds like an inflated price there. But $9.99 for a 3-pack, 1,500 reviews, and of course it's DeWalt, so we all like that. Universal fitment. If we look at some of the comparables, Home Depot $22.13, Tool Up $24.26, and Acme Tools $26.99. So over a 50% discount from everybody else. Get your 3-pack, quality blades. Oscillating blades is one of those things that sometimes it's worth paying up more for. Like name brand stuff, and some of the goofy ass other ones they have. Because sometimes the cheapy ones, too cheap. Too buttery soft. Them teeth just get like sheared right off. Like, oh, I'll be damn. My blade turned into a scraper. Now, I wanted to show you the tool deal list. We talked about this within the last week or so, but under the Amazon heading here, it is the daily tool deals list, and automatically goes through my database to check discounted tools. And I want to show you that because the last several that we just looked at, the Works, the angle grinder, the gear wrench, the DeWalt, all of those I found in this list today. Oh, see, there you go. There's the DeWalt blades right there at $9.99. So it's updated every day, and you may want to like bookmark that or put it in your routine, you know? You wake up, get some coffee, you check the Amazon promo code list, which if you go up right here, that's the daily promo code list right there. You check that, because during the weekdays, that's like 300 new items. You got to scroll through all the girly stuff at the top, but hey, that's how it is. And then you get to some of the other stuff. And then you check this page as well. There's 100 items on this. And some of it, you know, it's the same day after day because that's how the discounts stack up. It's the most discounted thing. But then, you know, other things get squirrelied in there. Next up, we got the clamping squares for woodworking. 90-degree positioning squares, right angle corner clamps. Woodworking woodpecker tool by Yino. 50% off. Normally $50. All of these things are always very expensive. I feel like not rightly so. I must not understand the engineering or craftsmanship that goes into making these woodworking jigs and clamps and stuff, but they're always very expensive. Like even like the step-up blocks. It's like, what the? Anyway, $49.99, 50% off, $24.99. So we get down to a good price. These things are always expensive. Power tool organizer, 4-slot, 3-layer, cordless drill wall mount. This is by Vavor. No promo code or coupon needed. It's just $9.99. We saw a similar one, but it was like a 2-piecer separated. And then I saw this one was on sale, so I thought people might like this one too. It says it holds 66 pounds. I really like these for hanging mine. I got a couple of them by different brands. I have it split up, so my DeWalt's are on one and the Milwaukee's are on the other. You can put your batteries and stuff like they got it up here. If you got enough room, put a charger up there. I try and keep mine organized, like the batteries that aren't charged yet go up here and the ones that are already charged there. And I got the charger, you know, just one after another, keep loading it up. But that's just me. So $9.99, really good deal, because a lot of times these things are $15 to $20 with promo code. So we're below all of that. And then if you're unfortunate enough to actually pay full price for one of these, you could easily pay like $30. Although prices on them in general have really come down. So that's it, guys. Everything's going to be linked down below. We'll have those Home Depot deals as part of the YouTube shopping thing. And it's the weekend, so unless something really amazing comes up, I won't be hearing from you guys or talking to you guys until like Monday or maybe Tuesday. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.